to Michigan. Never know. Just one more fight and I'll be history. Yes, I will straight up leave your shit, and you'll be the one who's found missing me.